Did you know that you could paint with Glimmer Mist? It's very simple. A paintbrush, a little bit of Glimmer Mist right out of the bottle or poured into a little cup, and you can create some beautiful works of art. Pozzi took the same idea with some of our Tattered Angels mixed media Origins papers, specifically the Flight paper that you see here. She started out and using 17 different colors. Her first section, she started painting the brick section of the Tattered Angels paper with the Glimmer Mist and black cherry, using a small detail brush to paint around the edges of the bird cage, heart, rope, and lace. And then once the edges were all painted, she filled in the rest of the brick with a larger paintbrush. She then painted the heartstrings with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist in bronze, continuing by painting the branches and perches with the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist in its brown that was diluted with a little bit of water. You can achieve that by spraying some mist onto a paint palette or craft sheet and adding a few drops of water. She then painted the sky with the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist Mountain Mist. Don't worry about if your mist or mica looks heavier in some spots or in others. It will add dimension to the sky. She then went on to paint the bird cage with Glimmer Mist in Silver Sugar, and then she mixed the Nougat Glimmer Mist with white chalkboard to paint the heart. She then went on to paint the flowers with the Tattered Angels Glimmer Glaze, and then she also painted the flower centers with the Mellow Yellow Glaze. To paint all the greenery, she used 3 different shades of green. She used Snowy Pine for the darker areas, English Ivy Glimmer Mist for the remaining greenery. She also highlighted some areas with some Kiwi Glimmer Mist. For the first bird, with the bluebird, she started painting with the Patina Glimmer Mist and then added a few highlights with the Kiwi Glimmer Mist. For the yellow bird, she started out with Summer Glow Glimmer Mist and then added a few little highlights with the Alaskan Salmon Chalkboard. Painting the red bird was very simple. She uses some sheer rosy, and then she continued painting the adjacent bird with the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist in Patina and accenting it with a little bit of some Snowy Pine. To paint the robin's belly, she used its orange Glimmer Mist and then painted the remainder of the robin's body with its brown Glimmer Mist, adding hints of its brown to the belly to create shadowing. To paint the woodpecker, paint the body with Glimmer Mist in Nougat that has been mixed with a little bit of white chalkboard. Then color the head with the Tattered Angels Black Cherry Glimmer Mist. Paint the other yellow bird with Tattered Angels Canary Chalkboard, highlighting areas with a little bit of some summer glow. For the final bird, the one that's in Little Heart, she started off using the Canary Chalkboard and then added a few little colored accents of the Patina Glimmer Mist to give it that kind of green glow. She finished off all the beaks of the end toes of every bird with a little bit of Summer Glow Glimmer Mist or its brown Glimmer Mist. Look how amazing this looks when it's all said and done. She then took it and put it inside a beautiful frame, and it's all in memory of this brand new little bird that she got, a Quaker parrot, and she just had to create something in memory of her new little bird. Thanks so much for stopping by. Goodbye.